Hi. What's up guys, it's Jazz. Welcome back to Neurodivergent Dog Trainer, and today we're going to be opening up and reviewing the 7-month Pupbox. As you know, Pupbox is a subscription dog kit service box thing that you can get. It's going to give you helpful training tools, toys, tricks, and tricks and techniques. Holy wow, that was hard to say. That was real hard to say. What did you say? Oh, you guys were rolling in the leaves, weren't you? But that being said, let's get into it. As always, you have your first little welcome to stage 2 of training pamphlet. Back up. And it looks like we've got this Kong Wubba. Sit. Dolly. Good. So this, wait, has a squeaky ball toy in it. This is a cow hoof. I haven't decided if I'm going to give this to them yet or not. They do have a Kong squeaky ball. So this box is sponsored by Kong. And a new treat holder. You can't wait any longer, can you? Hey, off. Hi. Good. Sit. Yes. Wait. And we've got some white fish training treats. Let's see, how do you guys like these? We are running low. They don't smell great. To him they do. Sit. Good. Merle, do you want to show off your new trick you've been practicing? Off. Want to show off your new trick? Hey. Shy. Yes. Good boy. Dolly, your turn. Oh, too much, Merle. Shy. Yes. Good girl. Hi. Okay, they like them. They like those a lot. All right, let's see how they like the toys while I get that zipped back up there. So this one is like a bully stick holder. Apparently he wants it. Obviously, we know they're going to love the tennis ball. Catch. Oh, you tried so hard. Your sister's got that one. Wait. Hold. Good boy. Take. Oh. Good boy. So yeah, the only thing I'm not sure of is this cow hoof. I just don't know a lot about them. Obviously, I believe they are safe if they put them in this box. However, before I give this to them, I will definitely research it, and this will not be given unsupervised. A lot of the chews I do let them have unsupervised because I give it to them whenever I know that I'm taking the other one away, and I don't want them to get any type of anxiety or anything. But this one, I am not sure about, because I don't like that sound. But that is the 7-month Pupbox. And as you can see, we've got a couple very happy puppies. Oh, thank you. Good paw. Good paw. Hey, Merle. Shy? Hey. Too early for the word. Head under. Head under. Yes. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe and check out the rest of the Pupbox update videos to see my thoughts on them and what all's been in them so far. See you next week. Bye.